Have you ever Googled something, maybe a new pair of shoes, and then suddenly, for the next week, you see ads for those exact shoes everywhere? On your social media, on news websites, even in your email, it's not a coincidence. It feels like someone is watching your every move online, and honestly, they kind of are. This constant tracking isn't just about showing you ads. Your personal data, like your browsing history, your location, what you buy, and even your personal interests, is a goldmine. Companies called data brokers collect this information, package it up, and sell it to the highest bidder. These bidders could be marketing firms, but they could also be insurance companies trying to adjust your rates, or worse, scammers looking for their next target. This trade of your personal information happens in a massive hidden marketplace, completely without your direct consent. You become the product, and your privacy is the price. I remember a time when I was planning a surprise trip for my partner's birthday. I was researching flights and hotels, being super careful not to leave any tabs open. But the next day, while we were watching videos together, an ad for the exact hotel I was looking at popped up. The surprise was almost ruined, and it was a real wake-up call. It made me realize just how much of my digital footprint was being monitored and used against me, even for something so personal, that feeling of being exposed. And having my privacy invaded was incredibly unsettling. It's not just about targeted ads. It's about losing control over our own lives and personal moments. So, how do we fight back? How do we put a lock on our digital lives? One of the most powerful tools you can use is a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network. Think of it like a secure, encrypted tunnel for your internet connection. When you use a VPN, it hides your real IP address, which is like your home address on the internet. Instead, it shows the address of the VPN server. This makes it incredibly difficult for websites, your internet service provider, and those sneaky data brokers to track your online activities and figure out who you are or where you are. A VPN encrypts all the data you send and receive. This means even if someone manages to intercept your traffic, all they'll see is a bunch of scrambled code, not your sensitive information like passwords, credit card numbers, or private messages. It's like sending a letter in a locked, unbreakable box instead of on a postcard for everyone to read. This is especially crucial when you're using public Wi-Fi, like at a coffee shop or an airport, which are notorious hotspots for hackers. Using a VPN on public networks protects you from anyone trying to snoop on your connection and steal your data. Now, choosing the right VPN can feel a bit overwhelming. There are so many options out there, each with different features, speeds, and prices. You need to consider things like their logging policy. You want a provider that doesn't keep records of your activity, the number of servers they have, and how fast their connection is. Some VPNs are better for streaming, while others prioritize maximum security. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and picking the wrong one could mean you're not as protected as you think. To help you navigate this, I've put together a comprehensive guide on how to choose the best VPN for your needs. In it, I break down all the technical jargon, compare the top providers, and give you a step-by-step checklist to find the perfect fit. I cover everything from security protocols to customer support, so you can make an informed decision and truly take back control of your digital privacy. You can find the link to the full guide in the description below this video. Taking control of your data might seem like a huge task, but starting with a good VPN is a massive step in the right direction. It's about drawing a line in the sand and deciding who gets access to your personal life. Don't let big companies and faceless brokers profit from your privacy. Protect yourself, protect your information, and browse the internet with peace of mind. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on digital security. Stay safe out there.